Okay, let's see what happening here now with the soup. As you can see, it boiling up. Looking good. Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Good day everyone, Uncle Clyde here once more in the kitchen. Well, you know me, I'm always up to something new. So today in my kitchen, I'll make a lentil peas soup with saltfish. It's a kind of tradition food what I grew up with, and I learned from my parents and them, and I'm trying to upkeep it. So with that, I'll organize the peas and everything. Well, look here, I have lentil peas. I have it from soaking overnight, so it will be easier to boil. Saltfish soaking from last night, because this will go in this peas at the early stage, so they will soften together. And then I have some grind seasoning, fresh seasoning from yesterday. This have everything in it. A carrot, and I have a bay leaf. So I have the lentil peas here, wash and soak and everything already. You don't need to put it in the kettle. So now I will add the saltfish. As I say, I have it soaking from last night. This piece is raw, so just to take out some salt, I soak it overnight. So this going together with the peas at the early stage. Now I have carrot. Everything wash up and from early. Have some seasoning. Not too much. Okay. And of course, must put a little ruku. As you can see, Uncle Clyde ruku. Just a little, just for the color, to change the color. You don't have to put too much. But every time I cooking, I know how much to put. So it depends on how much you're cooking and what you're cooking. So this is about it there. So this remains in there to soften up, and when it soften up, I'll add the other ingredients. Like I have some provision to put. Now I have here I have potato, plantain, green fig, and after that I'll make some cornmeal dumpling. So when you make a soup, you must put cornmeal dumpling in. Okay, so now I'll check on my peas and see if it's softened up. Yes, so that soften up now, so I could add the rest of the provision and whatever ingredients I have to put in it now. So I'll go in first with the provision here. As I say, is fig, plantain, potato. Now I'll add a few leaves of the bay leaf. As usual, I must cook with bay leaf. And always give it a little crack like this, so the flavor will come out. Alright, so now I will leave that boil up there, and then when the food almost cooked, I have some here that I boil to just must body to take out salt. I'll give it 2 boiling, so when the food almost good, I will add this to it. Because at the end of the day, you cannot put all the raw saltfish because it will be too much salt. So I just take out some salt in it. When the food almost good, I'll put this in.
That is a regular saltfish?
Yes, this is Bajan saltfish. This is that's how my parents always used to call it. Bajan saltfish with the bone. See? And you don't take out the bone, put it just like that. So okay, I have flour here with some cornmeal. I'll make some cornmeal dumpling and put it in a little while again. I'll leave the provision cook up a little bit first, and then I'm going to put this because dumpling will cook now for now. So right now I will need this flour. Now I will not put no salt in this because the saltfish already have salt. So if I put salt here, it will be too much in the food. You have to be very careful with what you're doing with the saltfish soup. So now, this is the finish there. I'll leave it rest for about 5 minutes. And then I'll come and make all my dumpling and in the food. Okay, let's see what happened here now with the soup. As you can see, it boiling up. Looking good. So I'll add the dumpling to it now. Now some people will make their dumpling just like this or flat, but this is how I like my dumpling. Okay, here we go, one by one. So now I will not pass the spoon one time because it's too soft. So I'll give it a little 2-3 minutes and then I'll pass the spoon in it. Let's see what happened here now. Everything cook up. Everything cook. 2 bagay. Okay. So that's about it. Love in the house.